Stop, tech nerds, Lottie here again. It's been a while. We've been extraordinarily busy. Good reason. So the trailer, the Limber 25-pounder trailer, this one, I'm experimenting with stuff now, so hopefully picture should be around here. Anyway, Limber 25-pounder trailer. This is what it looked like when we got it, and then this is what it looked like when I last filmed it. Now, the reason I didn't do much more filming is because we were in a bit of a rush. So the client wanted it done before Anzac Day, and we got that done. But we were just flat out, so I didn't have that much time to do a lot of filming. But it's all done. It made it to Anzac Day, and it looks really pretty, which you will see, but you have to wait for the end of this video. I did manage to get some time lapse of the spray painting, which I will show now. Yes, now. And we're back. So, I couldn't film it all because apparently my phone got knocked over while doing the end of it. So that's why it looks at the sky towards the end. Anyway, it was all done, all cleaned up, very beautiful. I did some pretty stuff to it, and it looks really good. Here is a video of it driving away. Very pretty. So yeah, that's part of the reason why I just we've been really occupied doing all that sort of work, and I really haven't had time to film much, but I want to change that this week, so we're getting back into the schedule. So that's the trailer all done. We've got a lot of stuff left over from it, just old stuff. Not sure what we'll do with it, who knows. I'll show you that right now. Okay, over here, I was sitting on the bench before. So this is the front apron that was just absolutely rusted all the way through. Not worth doing anything with. So yeah, not sure what we're gonna do with that. It's basically scrap, but it might be good scrap for someone who wants it. Who knows? We'll put it around somewhere later. Now, the next job is not either of the ferrets or either of the brain gun carriers or our new toy, which is behind it over there. We'll talk about that one in another video. But this Morgan, so one of our very good friends, he wanted us to basically overhaul this Morgan for him, just because it hasn't been on the road in some time. It's a bit of a sort of tricky job, and it was probably going to cost them a fortune to go to a regular, car dealer or whatever. So he decided to come to us. Now, we've already done quite a lot of the work, but essentially the steering was not connected at all. All of this Peter has made. So it had idler arm steering, and now it's got rack and pinion, which is a lot more sturdy. So this one, we're pretty sure it's a 1950s +4 Morgan. You can see right there. I'm not a Morgan expert at all, but we're pretty sure that's what it is. It's got a few little dings and bashes and all that. We've been told that this was used in some racing events, which I simultaneously believe and don't believe in the slightest. For one, there's just a ton of stuff missing. Like, there should be a bolt there to hold that in, but there isn't. This entire steering frame was held in by 2 bolts, and it wasn't those 2. It was one that went through here, which doesn't even line up properly, and there was one on the bottom about there-ish. I don't know if you can just see it. So yeah, this whole thing was, I'm surprised it actually rolled, to be truth be told, and that's not even the worst bit. So we've obviously taken the hubs off. Now the brakes have gone into a specialist, but they were completely burnt out. This one has disc brakes on the front and drums on the rear. We've already set the drums on the rear, and they're actually not too bad, but these have been locking on. And they've completely burnt out the brakes, so they're going into a specialist. They're in a specialist right now, I should say. And we've cleaned all these up, and that should be good, but we're still trying to figure out what's been done to it, because clearly a lot's been done, and we've taken the brake master out. The other bit, the steering wheel, was crappy. Just see if I can find that. It's floating around somewhere. We'll look at it later. Anyway, the most egregious bit is all the way back here. Gotta crawl down. Here is the right hand rear, and there's the exhaust. They should never touch, and yet there's rubbing. It's terrible. I don't know if you can see the wear mark on the inside of the tire. So yeah, we're gonna have to do some serious changes to this. But yeah, it should be a groovy little runner when it's all done. It's weird actually working on a car as opposed to tanks. But hey, it's all a learning experience, and this will be lovely when it's all done. There you have it. I'm back. I cut my fringe again. I don't know, going through a mood. Yeah, so I'm not dead. We've just been working really hard, and I'm gonna try and put out regular videos more often. So yeah, I will see you on the next one. Leave a nice little comment down below. Thank you. Bye.